Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Victoria Elias. I am the founder of Smart Money with V. I am based in Postmasburg. It's a small town in the Northern Cape. The business was founded in 2020 during COVID. That is when the business was founded. I started the business because I was not satisfied in my corporate job. I felt that they did not value me. I felt like I had a lot to offer and it was never realized or appreciated. So at the time that I decided to start the business, I was being promoted, but then I was like, no, you're promoting me. You believe that I can do the job, but you're not paying me for it. So I decided to ride solo and start my business. I could have gone any other route, but I decided to do what I'm doing because I'm passionate. I talk a lot. I have quite a few qualifications that link up together nicely with what I do. So I offer personal finance services. This is to individuals, to couples, to school learners, to university students. I offer financial literacy services. This means that I teach you on the different financial principles and terms. I break it down easily, and I also offer business accounting services. This would be for small business owners. I help them be compliant. I help them get tender ready. So those are the three ranges of the services that I offer. What makes my services unique is that I'm very passionate about what I do. I believe that South Africans should be able to create wealth, and you cannot just create wealth without having the know-how or the necessary background. So what makes me unique as well is that I have a wide range of qualifications. So I have worked in financial markets, I've worked in accounting, I've worked in finance, I've worked for international companies, I've worked on different stock exchanges. So it gives me a good package to be offering the services that I give, and I aim to make sure that you as a person, as an individual, as a student, and as a business, I aim to make sure that you succeed. I aim to make sure that you become debt-free. So you can reach me. Firstly, you can find out about my services on my website. It is www.smartmoneywithv.co.za. On Facebook, I am at smartmoneywithv. On Instagram, I am Vicky__Elias. And then, my cell phone number is 078-1033-269. You can send me a WhatsApp. My email address is vickelia9@gmail.com. Hi, my name is Victoria Elias and I am a township entrepreneur.